Hey, this is Jamie with Compressor-Source. Today we're doing a video featuring one of our new items. We are constantly looking for the best quality items to bring you at the best prices. In front of me, you're going to see an air hose that we had specifically made for us. It is called the Compressor-Source StriperFlex air hose. You might wonder where it got its name. StriperFlex is because of the extreme all-weather flexibility of this air hose. It doesn't matter what temperature it is, it stays extremely flexible in all-weather applications. It has a working pressure rating of 300 psi. It also is highly abrasion resistant. It has a smooth outer texture. That helps protect against dirt, grime, things like that, and is very easy to clean. This also features an easy to use field repairable end. So whether you shoot a nail through the hose, cut it, or whatever the case may be, you would simply cut the hose on the other side of the defective area, and you would use this two-piece end to fix the hose. You simply take the end apart by unscrewing it. This would slide back over the air hose, and this hose barb would go back in the air hose, and these two pieces get tightened together, which cinches down on the air hose. And you're ready to use back in business. No more taking it to a repair shop to get it fixed. This air hose, we have it in many different sizes, including 15 feet, 25 feet, 50 feet, 75 feet, 100 feet. We have it in 1/4 inch and 3/8. So whatever size you need, I guarantee you will have it. If you're interested in this product or any of the other products we may have, visit our website at www.compressor-source.com. Thank you for tuning into this video, and we will see you next time.